Introducing Next Digital Workplace. Business documents and enterprise archiving the next way. Imagine all your company's documents being accessible from everywhere and anytime to colleagues on the next floor, down the road, or across the globe, and to you when you are on the go. Use a browser, tablet, or smartphone to access your documents securely. Find whatever you're looking for in the authorized archive structure, or using blazingly fast Google-like searches, or with a single click from within any of your business systems. Even among millions of documents, you get the right one in the blink of an eye. All documents are well protected throughout their life. Only authorized HR staff can access an employee's documents, and the automatic audit log tells who did what and when, much more secure than any paper archive or file server has ever been. Complete GDPR compliance is never easy. With every document under control in Next, it does come easier. You define capture, access, and retention policies, and have the logs for evidence. Once you are all digital, you can tap into real automation. Capture, classify, and index your documents according to rules. Process, share, and distribute documents automatically, and automate any admin process in your business. How to get there? Take one step at a time. Challenge everyone who still sends you paper documents. What you then get digitally as EDI, XML, or PDF, you store in Next, classified, structured, and secure. Use a scanner, a copier, or your mobile phone to digitize whatever paper documents you have left. Scan everything into Next, together with the metadata you need to find it again. Make sure that your business-critical Office documents are stored centrally, even those you share in Teams, SharePoint, or on your intranet. The original belongs in Next and Next alone, with an automatic copy in PDF. Collect the documents created by all your business systems. Let Next capture them automatically, and free the systems from the burden of keeping track of your history forever. Get all your business-relevant emails out of your inboxes easily. An enterprise archive is the only way to make your email shared, secure, and completely future-proof. Overwhelming? Not at all, if you take it one step at a time. This is document management the easy way, the smart way, the secure way, the next way. Sounds interesting? Look up nextway.software today. Making good business run better.